Wow, kids! How are you today? And that's a special edition of Tractors for Kids, or My Kids Toys, and stickers for kids and stuff like this. So we have here great stickers, vehicles, transportation stickers, and it has glitter on it. You see it? The glitter? So that's a glitter, and it pops out from the paper, from this paper. So we have this cool racing car, and I want to see it. Wow! Wow! That's beautiful, just beautiful. Let's see. Do you see? Glitters, and put it in the center. And we have a crane, a beautiful crane, which you can see here. Something just fell down, but we don't care because we are taking the crane out of the... Wow, do you see? That's a red racing car, and that's a yellow crane. See the crane? That's a beautiful one. Let's put him here. Wow, the beautiful crane. And that's an airplane. That's an airplane. Looks like a Boeing. What do you say? See the glitter? And the windows, and it's white and blue. White and blue. Love it. Let's put it here in the sky. High in the sky. And we have also another how do you say it? Aeronautic vehicle, transportation, whatever. That's a helicopter, and it's red. It has glitter also on it. You see, it pops out from the paper. Let's put it here. What do you say? And what else do we have here? We have another racing car, and I believe that, to my opinion, it's a bit ugly. What do you say? Don't like it. Weird. Nah, don't like it. So let's put it here. We don't like you, racing car. And we have a truck. Looks like a semi-trailer. What do you say? That's not a full trailer. That's a green semi-trailer. It's a driver's cabin, and wow, that's beautiful. See how many wheels it has? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from each side, and each one of them is really 3 wheels. So we have here 3 wheels, 3 wheels, 3 wheels, 3 wheels, 1 wheel. So that's 4 times 3 is 12. This is 13. And we have 13 from each side, on each side. So it's 26. Great. Let's put the green truck, the green semi-trailer here. And we have a beautiful set of stickers, transportation stickers. That's the best way to learn about vehicles. That's a racing car, a red one, and that's a yellow crane, and that's a helicopter, a red helicopter. That's a white and blue airplane, and that's a green semi-trailer truck. And we have this bit ugly racing car. So that's black and nickel, gold, whatever. And hope you like it. You see the glitter? Beautiful. Great. Enjoy. Bye bye.